With the onset of summers, India has recorded soaring temperatures across several cities in northwest and central regions, with many of those cities touching 45 degrees in April this week alone. Will these summers be hotter than the year before? And how long will the heat waves last? You'll get to know all about it here with Newzera. Delhi registered a maximum temperature of 43.7 degrees, which is its all-time highest temperature in the month of April since 2010. The Indian Meteorological Department has said that a rise by 2 degrees Celsius in maximum temperature can be expected in most parts of the northwest India for the next 3 days. The rising temperatures in the national capital have also burdened the demand for coal to generate electricity. Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain earlier announced that Delhi's coal stock would only last for a few days and urged the centre for immediate help. That's all in for what's trending for today. To read more such stories in detail, download our app Newzera from Play Store.